Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about energy eigenfunctions of simple harmonic oscillator. In this case, we will take only a harmonic oscillator along the movement direction along to only and only x axis. Here we can see that psi x. From this table, it is clear. The first column show the number of quantum number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here second column show the value of energy corresponding to any wave function, or we can say that in any higher state, and here the energy eigenfunctions. Let's see, this is the expressions for a harmonic oscillator, which is simply equals to, we can write psi x equal to 1 upon factorial n into 2 raised to the power n into a into under root pi power 1 upon 2, and here this is our an expression for energy distributions corresponding to functions. This polynomial h n x upon a here equal to exponential minus x square upon 2n x. So by putting this value, what will we have? Quite simply, we solve this function corresponding to a state, then it operated on psi n x equal to E n psi n x. Here h is Hamiltonian of linear harmonic oscillator and E n equal to energy of nth order. Here we can see that we will put n equal to 0, then corresponding to 0 level we have the value not equals to 0, half h cross omega. This is the main difference between the quantum and classical physics, where classical physics solidly speaks about that in any ground state the system will have energy equals to 0, but on the other hand the quantum physics oppose this statement and puts a new theory that's corresponding to any ground state the energy of systems not equal to 0, it's always greater than a minimum amount, or we can say that it is always higher than 0. Corresponding this ground state, we can see that here the energy of harmonic oscillator E0 equal to h cross omega upon 2. Here h cross is Planck constant upon 2. Here E0 equal to h cross omega upon 2, h cross equal to h upon 2 pi. Here we can see that omega is the angular frequency of oscillator. As when we will take n equal to 1, then the energy eigen value corresponding to this state equal to be 3 by 2 h cross omega, and the corresponding to that state the function will be eigen function will be this. So suppose that if we are interested 2 3 for the corresponding, we will have the different type of wave functions which will vary with respect to number of quantum. So if we are interested n equal to 1 not 5 energy level, then what we will have to substitute in this function, we have to substitute n equal to 1 not 5 and see what's the value we have find out, and then we will solve for this Hamiltonians of 1 not 5 state. The corresponding to that state will find the eigen value comes out, that is the our energy of harmonic oscillator corresponding to 1 not 5 state. So this is the linear harmonic oscillator. On the other hand, if we have harmonic oscillator that can move in 3 dimensional, then what we'll have in this condition, if we have the take, it is not always possible that a harmonic oscillator can move in only one direction, it can move in the 3D. Then what we'll have in this condition, the minimum amount corresponding to each degree of freedom equal to half h cross omega, then the ground state energy of harmonic oscillator x, y and z equal to 3 by 2 h cross omega. So this is the minimum amount of energy corresponding to a spherical harmonic oscillator. Thanks. Next lecture we will take discuss about what will be the energy diagram of this harmonic oscillator. Thank you.